Okay, good morning everyone. I'm so excited. Today we are diving deep into master resale rights, MRR. You've probably heard about it all over the internet, specifically TikTok and Instagram. It's going wild. So as you may know, my name is Moorea. I'm a professional digital marketer and I make digital products for a living. I am an ex-burnt out photographer who used to do tons of luxury weddings, and after having a baby in 2021, I just decided this life isn't for me anymore. I don't like being separated from my baby, and I don't like pumping in the back dirty rooms of wedding venues. So I retired my business and started as a full-time digital marketer. And I also do affiliate marketing as well. And if you don't know what those are, basically digital marketing is selling digital products online and affiliate marketing is selling other people's products pretty much online. So I do a lot of Amazon influencer and on-site reviews. Love the Amazon influencer program. It is so much fun, but that's a separate video. So today we are talking all about MRR. First, let me just start with kind of my timeline and my background about how I fell into this product. So MRR was sweeping the internet, and when I first came across this product, I was really confused because everyone was addressing it as MRR, Master Resale Rights, and I thought that was the course. The course is actually either roadmaps or learn and earn. And I purchased learn and earn because I ended up buying it from somebody who I really value their opinions and their feedback as far as growing a digital business. She has grown her digital business an exponential amount in 3 months. She just crossed $1 million. It's honestly insane. And so when you hear people talking about MRR, they're talking about those courses. The core course within both of those is exactly the same, but some things can vary a little bit depending upon who you buy it from, which is the whole idea behind a digital product. Is you want to be offering value to your customers. So I was a little confused, like, what is this MRR course? And then I was also just like really confused by all the income claims on Instagram and all the girls talking about how I made 20,000 in my first day, and I just was like, is this possible? What is this? Like, it comes across a little scammy, but once you dive into it, you realize it's really not. It is basically a done-for-you business in a box, and you have the keys. It's just a matter of you unlocking it. One thing I did notice about this product online that really stuck out to me was everyone who was online who had taken the course was a huge fan of the content inside of the course. So there's a lot of people out there who don't like this idea, don't like this business model, whatever. Everyone has their own opinions. I personally was like, well, I'll take the course and I'll see if it's valuable, and if it's in alignment with me and something that I could put my name behind, maybe I'll sell it. So I took the course. It transformed my business. Like I told you, was a burnt out photographer before. And after closing my business, I was doing exclusively video editing, still feeling like I was on that hamster wheel of just like working all the time. A little bit of that guilt of taking days off. And I really just wanted to be in a place where it was like I could be on vacation and earn passive income and not have to worry about like, oh, I've got to make up this time when I come back into the office on Monday or whatever. Anyway, so I decided to take the plunge. I purchased the course, and I'm not joking you when I say within 1 to 2 days, I had an entire funnel built for myself, set up, automated email system, and a full-on game plan of how I was going to market this product to my community. So as far as timeline goes, I purchased this product about a month ago, and then after that, I was just consuming all the content because I wanted to make sure it was relevant to today's digital marketing space as well as beginner friendly, because that was really important to me that like a lot of my community who is in this space are beginners when it comes to digital marketing. Let me just give you a little backstory. So I have been doing affiliate marketing for a really long time, and I originally was promoting this legendary marketer course for $7, took the course, and I just felt like I can't recommend this to people. Simply because it's like, hey, take this $7 course and then here's a $2,500 upgrade, which I just think is really shocking to a lot of people. And the success rate with that course is not the highest. Like, yes, it teaches you things that are great to know. Oops. Well, there goes my Celsius. But that content was also filmed a long time ago, and things changed really quickly within this industry, which is why I liked the MRR Learn and Earn course, because there's constantly updates being released into this program, which, like I said, things change so quickly. To be successful in this industry, we need relevant, up-to-date information. So I wrote down kind of a list of all the things that are in the course. I'm going to list them out for you, but these are the ones that I love the most. How to build your stand store, branding, affiliate marketing. I personally do Amazon a lot, love it. ChatGPT productivity hacks using Google, super valuable. Like, let's talk about SEO and Google AdSense. Amazing. Productivity hacks, I said that. Notion, Loom, setting up your LLC, content templates, PLR, done for you ebooks. This is huge. And if you don't know what PLR means, it just means private label rights. And it basically is like, here's a template for an ebook. Put your information in it and sell it as your own. It is amazing. Top blogger secrets, recorded weekly trainings, and the master resell rights, MRR, to then resell this. You can rebrand it as your own. You can resell it as Learn and Earn. That's what I do. There are some restrictions as to how you resell it. Like, for example, you cannot sell it less than $4.97. That's just across the board. It's part of the agreement for the master resale rights. So what I loved about this was, like I said, it is a digital business in a box. So by the time that you go through this course, literally, you could start this course and get your funnel up within that same day. I personally like to consume something within a course 2 to 3 times before I implement it. However, I already knew how to build funnels, so I was like, oh yeah, here's the template for a funnel, let's go. And I just plugged and played. It was amazing. Let's see. A few things that I ended up doing with this MRR course was I launched an entirely new Instagram exclusive to earning a passive income online. So if you follow my Moorea Thill page and you want to follow my passive income page, it is called passive.profits.with.moorea. Actually, it's with Moo. Anyway, Passive Profits with Moo, and I'll put the link down below too if you want to go see what's going on over there. But I talk about MRR, but I also talk a lot about ChatGPT hacks. I have another product where we talk all about how to use ChatGPT as a content creator and how to make it work for you, simply because a lot of my students are like, I love ChatGPT, but it doesn't work for me and I can't get it to actually sound like me and yada yada. So this course goes in depth as to how to do that, and done for you prompts to show you exactly, like, ChatGPT, write my funnel copy for me that uses X, Y, and Z methods to help increase conversion. It's really amazing. So I'll put a link down to my ChatGPT course as well. There's a free training on there to show you how I make 30 days of content in 10 minutes. It's insane. So let's go over my 1 month review. 1 month review is great simply because I just consumed all the content. But my 1 week review is based on me actually selling the course. So in 1 week, I have gained 2,000 leads. I have 13 hot leads, and I have brought in 3,761 in valued customers. Now, things that I see when I look at this is like, I would love my conversion rate to be higher. It's just things I have to work on. So maybe my nurture sequence needs to be modified. Mind you, I just started this a week ago, so we're rocking and rolling. I have not ran any ads for this, so this is completely organic. I only have like 80 followers on my Instagram. Maybe it's 60. I don't know. It's not a lot, but it has 100% to do with me engaging with people who are my target audience. That's really important, and this course actually teaches you about that, because even if you're a photographer and you're thinking about taking this course just for the value in the course, it is worth it, simply because when I came into this course and I'm just thinking about it from like my photography business perspective, my target audience in my mind was newly engaged brides in the Austin, Georgetown area. No, that is not a target audience, and I could shake you if that's what you think your target audience is. My new target audience is burnt out photographers who no longer want to shoot in person, who are looking to earn a passive income online with digital marketing. Now that is a perfect example of a niched down target audience. And this course helped me do that. So it's really important to go through the course first and actually implement the things that they teach you before you start selling the course. So now that I have been selling the course, let's talk about why I love the Learn and Earn course and why I think this is super valuable. This course gets a lot of hate sometimes, and I think it's just because people are scared of it, or they simply are bashing on it because they want you to buy their own product, which I don't like. The main reason why I love this course so much is because it allows people, normal people just like you and me, who are stuck in a place, to get out of that place immediately. And it allows people to change, it allows people to grow. Just because you are a photographer and you have an established business that you've been doing for 5, 6, 7 years doesn't mean you're not allowed to diversify your income. This is huge. I personally felt like I learned this lesson when, the whole 2020 fiasco came around, and I was living in Hawaii, and my business it went radio silent because we shut down the state. And I was like, living off of government assistance with my business, because I had gone from one day earning 6 figures in my business to all of a sudden cut off, business was gone. And I was like, what the, I was like, I couldn't believe it. It was devastating. So then we moved to Texas. I rebranded, I rebuilt my business, and then I got pregnant, and I was like, I felt so guilty. I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. This doesn't fill my cup anymore. Why am I doing this? So here I am, an ex-burnt out photographer doing digital marketing and finding success in it. And just because your story may be different does not mean that you cannot find success in this. If you are interested in joining us in Learn and Earn, let me tell you a little bit about what you get when you join on my team. First of all, this is not a MLM. I just want to make that super clear. There's no uplines, no downlines. Nobody makes a commission off of your sales other than you. You make 100%. Very, very transparent about that. You will get the master resale rights to use this as your first digital product to sell to your audience that you build. You'll learn how to build it in the program, and there's just a ton of information in there. It's super valuable. You will get my AI secrets course, where we talk about how to use ChatGPT to your advantage. This course is worth easily $600. However, if you buy it with my passive profits program, you get it for free. And lastly, you will get access to the community of over 8,000 successful entrepreneurs who are doing this, who just started doing this as well. You can bounce ideas off of them. You can ask them for advice. This community is so awesome. I love it. It's like a private, it's not Facebook, but it's like a private Facebook community that is 100% all about MRR. And lastly, you will get access to ask me any questions that you're going through, need a little bit of help, a little bit of clarity. You can DM me whenever you want. I give direct feedback. Most of the time I get back to everyone within a couple hours. It just depends on what life is looking like with my toddler that day, but you will get access to me to help you. So if you have any other questions about MRR, master resale rights, Learn and Earn, all of these digital products, I want you to leave them down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. But if you're just interested and you're just kind of falling into this space, download my free guide in the description below, and you will get onto my email list that will give you some more information. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super fun for me to make it. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every single time that I make a new video. Next up, we're going to be talking all about how to get approved for on-site commissions on Amazon. This is a highly requested video because a lot of you are Amazon influencers. So I'm just super excited to be here. I'm really feeling motivated to be in the digital marketing space. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.